So if you stick around long enough, I'm gonna teach you how to do everything yourself. Okay? I did this press-on nail set. Yes, you probably know how to do press-ons, but you don't know how to do them like this, sis. So you're gonna learn how to do them too. Taking these nice press-ons from Amazon, they were about $30. And I'm also using this cuticle removal. It's liquid or something, and I'm pushing my cuticles back. So this is going to be an important step to getting that really fresh, like I left the nail salon look. So I'm going in and I am getting underneath my cuticles so that I could remove them with the cuticle remover. I'm not a tongue twister, honey. But yeah, this is a e-file nail bit, and y'all need to get y'all one. This just gonna clean up that what is that? The little dust off my nails. And then I'm going in and removing my cuticles. Yeah. So this is gonna make your nail look like a completely different nail. Cause my nails were looking atrocious, honey. But thank God I know how to do my own nails. Save myself some money. So this is a different bit. I don't know the names of these. I will have everything linked. Like I said, it's up to you whether you're gonna buy it or not. And y'all know the Prime Day is coming up, so y'all should just go ahead, add it to your cart so you will have it. So filing my nails, because you definitely want to make sure you file them before you put any press-ons on, sis. You want your nails to grow nice and healthy underneath the press-ons. So this glue is from by Kiss, and it's a really good glue. Then I go in and use my top coat from Amazon. Everything you can find on Amazon, I'm telling you. Look at that nice clean nail. Ooh, it's going too fast for me now. Hold on, sis, slow it down. But yeah, filing, we're using a top coat. It's a no white top coat. So once you put your hand underneath the machine and come up, you ain't gotta wipe it off. It's already like wiped off. It dried down, honey. Same little polish, just showing you up close and personal. And other hand underneath the machine, because you want to cure it. Boom. Look at that. Nice. This was the manicure Nelly was talking about. Yep.